You know what? Hold this. I'm in a foolishness.
Foolishness? Foolishness? But should I expect that from you?
Expect what?
I'll me I tell you, if you get yourself in no more trouble, lose my number.
You know, say you're unreasonable. All of this because I want a woman when we go sit down with, when we don't even deal with.
I know what you do. I owe you too. Imagine you come and call the tourist. And as you see a little earthy woman, your skin catch a fire.
Skin catch a fire, how?
Cause you're frightened Friday, that's all.
Me not aware of that.
Trevor Sullivan, me your first baby mother. I've been down this road with you before. And not just one time, 6 to be exact.
So, you not think me can change?
I know what happened when you start behave a certain way, but I hope you change this time. Cause if you not learn now, you not learn again.
I learned my lesson, Camille.
Really? So who she and where you know her from?
You know, say a Caldo tours me did meet her. When me I did the
yard boy.
the grounds operator.
Okay. But where you tell her to get her attention?
What you mean?
But no, you not tell her you're the grounds operator, as you put it. And why you tell her say you own the place down?
So what you say you do here?
Well, I'm the chief executive officer.
So what that do? What you do?
Well, as you can see, I own all of this. Okay? All that you can see, I own that. All that you cannot see, I own that. All that you can see, I own that.
Now fix your mouth for tell me no lie, Trevor.
Yeah. I that me did tell her.
You know, sometimes I feel like I know you better than how you know yourself. Hear me. I not tell you how to live your life. Just know say it'll come from a place of truth.
But me and the woman in a nothing, Camille.
Yet, just make sure the person where you get into your life elevate you in the right way.
Camille, I'm not even sure I want nobody in my life right.
You, unless the shot in your foot make you impotent. You got always run down a skirt tail. You must know. Next thing, what happened to the man who come check you when you?
Which man?
Your long time friend.
Oh, him. What about him?
Something just never look right with you and him.
Yeah. Alfonso. Something not right with that plan, yeah, man. No, it off by a whole heap of meters, brother. But the door can't go this way. And if you put a window on the east wall, what when the sun has set? Yeah, we not put bedroom on the east like that and put a big old window for the sun set in it have a hat. So put it on the other side. Come on, man, you're not a rookie. Fix it. Yeah, and in the basement, we need more space for them for the den area. Now wait, pan the change. Alright.